In today's video, let me show you how to fix TikTok login problem with Google. So if you use a Google account in order to log into your TikTok, and if you're having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is reset the third-party account access. So what I mean by that is you just need to head over to your Google account, tap on the Google account that you've currently logged into, and right here you'll be able to see the option called Manage Your Google Account. Once you're inside of the settings page, you'll need to scroll down and head over to linked accounts. So within this list, you need to find the option of TikTok, which basically shows all of the accounts or all of the apps that currently uses your Google. So what you need to do is just head over to TikTok, and right here you'll be able to see the option called delete. You just need to tap on delete and remove the login access by Google. Once you complete this first step, you'll need to head back to your TikTok account and try to use your Google again. By doing this first step alone, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, the second thing that you can try out is try to uninstall the TikTok application from your device and then again re-download it. This sometimes happens due to app glitches as well as app bugs, and whenever you download the latest version, these sort of issues will automatically get fixed. I do hope this kind of video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.